Hello, I'm Mark Brooks and welcome to my channel. It's the day after Thanksgiving and now we start the holiday season and it's time to hang up the Christmas Chili Ristra. It is a homemade Ristra. As you see, it has these chili pepper covers, red, green, and blue covers, poinsettia flowers, both red and white, and holly glued to fill in gaps. There's a whole lot more to it. What else is to it? It's also electric. Well, I said electric is now plugged in and now lighting up. Look at that. Those red, green, and blue chili pepper covers are mounted on light bulbs are flashing about in a festive pattern. Just a very pretty thing, very attractive. And 3 years ago I made this, and as I made it, I also made a how-to video showing how I made it. That is all the parts, materials, and tools to make it. It's titled How to Make a Christmas Chili Ristra, and at the left of your screen you should see a video link indicating what this video is, and you just click that link and that will take you to the video so you can see my construction, how I made it. So I hope you found this video very interesting and maybe you'll be inspired to want to make one too. So if you do, wish you the best of luck and thanks for watching.